How to create a free landing page in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a free landing page in Canva. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So for those of you who don't know, you can actually create a landing page, a website on Canva, and it's really simple. It's easy to do so in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're just going to simply sign up onto Canva using the free account. You're not going to sign up and get a pro account, nothing like that. You're going to use the standard free account and we are good to go. So when you log into Canva, this is how it's going to look like. And over here, we're just simply going to search for website over here, since it doesn't show up over here in the highlights over here. So we're going to search for website. And over here, this is how it's going to look like, right? We have website 1366 by 768. So we're going to be using that. So we're going to click over that, and then it's going to open up over here with a bunch of different templates to choose from, right? So we can choose whichever template we want and we are good to go. So some of these templates are for the pro version, or you can buy them, but most of them are pretty simple and easy to use. So let's take this one for example. It looks pretty simple, nothing too crazy, and I actually like this one as well. So let me just open that one as well. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Pretty simple, right? Nothing crazy, very easy to use. So let's go ahead and edit it out. So over here, you can go ahead and add in your own image. Over here, you can change it to whatever you say, and you can change the button and logo over here. So for example, let's say I wanted to add my own image over here. What you can do is just simply, so you can edit this, you can change this image to whatever you want, right? Now, what if you wanted to, do another thing? So if you click on this button, and over here at the left corner, you will see this link button over here. So what you can do is you can actually, enter in a link for your website. So for example, if I come over here I copy the link to my website, and over here, oh, I'm sorry, over here, let's just enter in that link, and boom, we're good to go. And there we go. Now that link has been, adjusted. Now whenever someone comes over here and they want to, visit this link, they'll just simply click on this button and they'll move on. So pretty simple. So over here, I'm just simply going to choose this, change this to visit the website over here. Yeah, something like that. But the whole button thing has now been changed, so I can maybe add like an effect to it as well, maybe to the button itself. Maybe I can animate it as well. So click on animate, you will have a bunch of different options over here that are it's gonna pop up something like this or something like that. Looks pretty cool. I think fade looks pretty nice, so I'm gonna choose the fade, and there we go. Same thing over here with the whole feature, the whole website. You can change it to whatever you want. You can upload your logo over here. You can change it to whatever you feel like it. Now usually landing page are just one pages. There aren't multiple pages. They're just a single website where you just tell them about your product or your website or whatever is coming. And we should probably find something that works for both mobile and for the homepage as well. So something like that. So if I come over here, so we need to search for I would say bio link sites, something like that. I think BioLink website over here. So if I click over here, it should work over here. Yeah. Now this is something that we can use for both our phones and for our, our main website. So something like this one right here. If I click over here, it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy about it. You have your main web, option over here, and with a nice, decent background. This would look pretty good on a phone as well as on a desktop. So yeah, I think this would look pretty good. So now what we're going to do is over here is we're going to change it a little bit. So over here you can upload your own image, but over here you can go ahead and change this out. So over here you can you can introduce yourself and what you do, and what are your things, and then down below you can add your button which says visit my link, or download the ebook, or download my music, or whatever it is, right? So we don't need all of this, so we're just simply going to go ahead and delete all of that. And over here we're going to click over here and we're going to search for buttons, something like this, like this one over here, which is this. Okay, this is pretty big. We're just simply gonna put it right over here in the middle. There we go. Now it's a little bit big, so we'll just small it down a little bit. Yeah, something like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some text over here, and we're gonna say visit website. And now we're just simply gonna put this over here onto the button. It's a little bit bigger, so we'll just put it something like that. Here we go. That looks nice. Now we need to change the color of the button to match the website so it doesn't look off-putting. Yeah, something like that, a little bit bright light color. And then over here, I would say we need to, change the background of it as well. So over here, let me change the background as well. Maybe something like, I would say maybe pink, like light pink. Yeah, I think that looks cool. Purple will also looks good, but I think we're gonna go with this purplish type color, this lavender color actually, or we can just keep it white. Although I do want to change the square a little bit because it's too square. I want something round. So if I come over here on back over here and I click on shapes, I should be able to find a square with rounded corners like this one. So if I click over here, yeah, this looks much better. So over here, let me just send it to the back over here. And let me just put it right over here. Increased it over here, something like that. There we go. Oh, that looks much more nice. That looks pretty cool. There we go. Yeah, that looks much better. So something like that. Now what we can do is we can add a bunch of other buttons as well. So let me just go back over here and search for buttons. I have a bunch of different options right here. We have start, we have downloads, whatnot. So over here, what we can do is maybe we can add another button similar to this one. Let me just copy that real quick, paste that over here, put it right over here, and I can say something like, I don't know, maybe download over here. I think download would look cool. Let me just smaller it down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Now, once that's done, let me just group this up real quick. Let me just group and group. There we go. Now I just put the background back where I found it. There we go. Now, if I click over here, now I can just simply link it to my website over here, and I can just paste that link over there, and boom, here we go. So that's how it looks like, right? So now let me just, okay, it's now changed its shape. I don't like the shape. Wait, let me just ungroup it a little bit, paste it over here. Now I just simply change its color. There we go, right? Pretty simple. Now all that's left for us to do is just simply download it, right? And we can download it as a website right here. So if we click over website, we choose it to scroll type, and we click on open a website. And over here, this is how our landing page is going to look like. So pretty simple, right? Now, if I click on this button, it's going to take me over to the main website. So keep that in mind. Now, you could have added a little bit more detailed over here in the background so that it looks much more, better. But I just wanted to, show you how it looks like. So then it's going to take you over to the website, as I said before. Now, since the link is a little bit bigger, so what you're going to need to do is you can go over to Linktree. You can come over here and you can paste your links over here like all the other influencers do it, and you can then use this link and promote this link wherever you want, and that's how it's going to look like. This is going to be your landing page. If you have like a downloadable content, you can put that button over here. If you have another button, if you want to do it, you can put that over there, and you can link them just as I did with this button. And then whenever someone clicks on that button, go over to the link that you provided. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you create landing page on Canva. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.